Stand with the unaffected hand on a table for support. Bend forward at the waist, approximately 90 degrees. Let the affected arm hang down relaxed. Gently swing the arm in a circular motion. Focus on using the momentum of the trunk movement to move the arm, not the shoulder muscles. Keep the circle small, gradually increasing the radius of the circle. Repeat the exercise holding a dumbbell or weight in hand. Stand with your feet about 40 cm apart. Place a towel around your waist with the affected arm holding one end of the towel and your unaffected arm holding the other end. Gently pull the towel with the unaffected arm, stretching the affected shoulder. Hold the stretch for 10 to 15 seconds. Release. Repeat the steps 10 times. Repeat the exercise by placing the towel over your unaffected shoulder. Stand up straight with your feet 40 cm apart. Gently pull your affected arm across your chest until you feel a stretch. Use your unaffected arm to grasp your affected arm just above the elbow for support. Hold for a few seconds, then return to the starting position. Stand with your affected arm positioned on a shelf or a table at chest height, supported by your good arm. Gently bend your knees, opening up the armpit area. With each knee bend, slightly deepen the bend, stretching the armpit area further. Gently straighten your knees and return to the initial position. Continue to repeat the movements 10 to 20 times daily. With your elbows slightly bent, slowly walk your fingers up the wall, spider-like, until you have raised your arm as far as you are comfortable. Your fingers should be doing the work, not your shoulder muscles. Slowly lower the arm and repeat. Perform this 10 to 20 times a day. Stand straight about 2 feet away from the wall. Raise one arm straight up towards the ceiling, keeping your elbow slightly bent. Gently slide your palm up the wall, using your body as weight. Focus on feeling a stretch in your shoulder. Hold the stretch for 15 to 30 seconds. As you get more comfortable, you can move closer to the wall and gradually increase the hold time. Hold a resistance band between your hands with the palms facing up. Pull your hands apart to rotate the shoulders while squeezing your shoulder blades together. Using a secure resistance band positioned at approximately hip or waist height, position the upper arm to the side of the body with the elbow bent to 90 degrees and forearm out to the side. Keeping the upper arm in place, slowly begin moving the forearm inwards towards the body. Pause for a second or two and slowly return to the starting position.